So hi, in the last video I showed you that if you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on your company computers, that you will receive this dashboard that you will be able to open in any browser. Yeah? So on any remote computer or even on your smartphone, and what you will see will be the live computer screens of the computers that you have installed Wolfeye on. Yeah, so this is what you will get. Unfortunately, the video interrupted the last video. I have to continue here in a new video, but we will get it done, because what I would like to show you next is the following. How do you install Wolfeye Remote Screen software? You can install it by coming to our website. It's wolfeye.co is our website. Here you change it to English, and here on our website you can try it for yourself completely free. You can try it for yourself. Click here on demo, on trial, and here you can book a live demo with me. I speak English, Spanish, German, and Portuguese, and we can schedule a demo session on Google Meet. Okay, so what will happen is you select a day and select a time, and this will take into account that we're both in different time zones. Maybe we might be in different. I'm in Germany, you might be, I don't know, in Peru or in Chile or in Mexico. But choosing here the time will make sure that we both know exactly at what time we are able for this demo session. Okay, and what will happen in this demo session is the following. Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard. So I will give you not this demo dashboard that I showed you in the last video, but instead I will give you the access to my dashboard, and you will see my live screen, because as you remember from the last video, these are only pictures here because this is the demo dashboard. In reality, you see here the live screen, and that's what you will see in this demo session on my screen. It's running on my computer, and you only receive the link to the dashboard and will see my computer screen in live. You will be able to open it here on a new tab to see in big my live screen, or you will be able to see my screenshot history by right mouse clicking on history, as I told you in the last video, and you see the screenshot history, which you only see here as dummy pictures, but in reality every 5 minutes a picture is saved, a screenshot is saved, so to speak. So that's the first thing that will happen in this demo session. The second thing that will happen in the demo session is that I will guide you to install Wolfeye on one of your computers, or on two, on all of them, is no problem. But on one of your computers, I will guide you to install it, because that will enable you, if I guide you, to install it on the remaining of your computers. But why? Because installation of Wolfeye is very easy, and I will demonstrate it to you here in this short video. That's what I wanted to show you, and that's why I decided to do the second part of the video. Yeah, it works like this. In the demo session here, I will send you the download link from Wolfeye. So you download it, and and you will receive it to your download folder here, and that's the file that you download. In this demo session, I guide you through installation. I guide you. I don't have to do anything. You just double click the setup file for Wolfeye that I sent you, or not that I sent you the download link, and you download it, you double click it, and the installation wizard opens for Wolfeye. And you only have to click this install button. You hit it and it installs. And then to launch it, you just hit finish. You finish, and Wolfeye Remote Screen software opens. It's called itself kernel W11 because it hides in Task Manager, but that's how it works. That's how it works. And the last step you must do is hit two buttons. The first button is share screen button. So you hit the share screen button. The moment you hit it, it's already sharing the screen. Yeah. And the next is the stealth mode button. You hit the stealth mode, and the software hides itself, goes into stealth mode, and hides from the user, so to speak. Yeah. The installation path for Wolfeye is, you might have seen here in the setup file, and you should let that installation path. It's C user public documents. It creates this folder W, Yeah, and here is the installation path. Yeah, and you can always by double click opening the kernel W11 application. That's Wolfeye Remote Screen. So you double click it and it opens, and the moment you open it, it stops working. So if you wanted to continue to run Wolfeye, you had to click again these two buttons, share screen and stealth mode. But that I will explain to you in the demo session. Okay, and I will also explain the other buttons. For example, you could send the email, send the URL to your email here where you will receive the live screen and so forth and so on. So come to the website wolfeye.co, wolfeye.co, yeah, and schedule a Google Meet session with me. It will be with me, and I'm very happy to for the session. We see us in the next video.